अगर वाकई डरा धमका के या खरीद के वो इलेक्शन जीतना चाहते हैं तो फिर वो साबित कर रहे हैं कि जो लोग बिहार में कह रहे हैं वो सही है. BJP is not in a position to win even one seat. That's why I said in the beginning, this Rajya Sabha election will show us who the friends of the BJP are and who the opponents of the BJP. BJP cannot win 3 Rajya Sabha seats without doing horse trading. BJP cannot even win 1 seat without horse trading. They need 30 to win the 4th seat. They have 28. There is not a single MLA other than the 28 who are with the BJP that has shown any support for the BJP up until now in the last 1 year. Which means if they are claiming they are going to win 3 seats, it is money power, muscle power and the power of the agencies. Let us see. अगर वाकई डरा धमका के या खरीद के वो इलेक्शन जीतना चाहते हैं तो फिर वो साबित कर रहे हैं कि जो लोग बिहार में कह रहे हैं वो सही है. Otherwise today, as numbers go, BJP is not in a position to win even 1 seat. That's why I said in the beginning, this Rajya Sabha election will show us who the friends of the BJP are and who the opponents of the BJP. Anyone who abstains is a friend of the BJP, and obviously anyone who votes for the BJP is a friend of the BJP. Because in 3 out of the 4 elections, there are candidates against the BJP. Now let's see what people do.
Sir, won't it be a test for national conference in Budgam itself, because there have been multiple things that are making rounds, and do you see an edge for
Look,
for BJP?
every election is a test. No election is straightforward. Nagrota is not straightforward for the BJP, and no by-election is straightforward for any political party. So obviously, National Conference will put its best foot forward in Budgam, and we will rely on the wisdom of the voters of Budgam.
Thank
Sir,
you.
how would you see the relation between India and Afghanistan, Taliban?
मुझे नहीं पता ना. हाउ टू आप ये फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया से पूछिए, मुझे क्या पता.
मुफ्ती ने बोला कि वो पहले बैठ
मतलब महबूबा मुफ्ती तो सब चीज़ पे बोलती हैं. वो बीमारी मुझे नहीं है ना. जिन चीज़ों के बारे में जानता नहीं हूँ मैं उन पर बात नहीं करता. अब महबूबा मुफ्ती जी हिंदुस्तान और अफ़गानिस्तान के रिश्तों के बारे में कितना जानती हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम. मैं नहीं जानता ना.